yo, how are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I wanted to show you some new die cuts that I'm going to be putting in the shop. Now, not the dies, we're going to be putting the cuts in the shop. The first one is this one, and it makes like a little journal book, and I thought this would be cute to maybe do as like a kit. And I was thinking like maybe the 12 Days of Christmas or something like that. Not entirely sure, but we're going to take a look at it and see. But it makes a little book, and it's really cute. So we're going to be cutting those and putting them in the shop. And then the other one I have is this one right here. And it says Harry Potter, and you've got the HP and the feather and the Quidditch ball and all that stuff. And just a whole set. And I'm going to be doing these probably like 2 or 3 pieces to the set. You know, 2 or 3 of each cut to the set. Not sure yet, but those are going to be in the shop. Another thing that I have is this one here, and this one specifically, what it does is it cuts out, and then you fold it, and it makes like a camera slide with the old specimen slides. So I'm going to be doing these probably in like sets of 10 or something like that, but really cute. And so those are going to be in the shop. And then the other one is this one. Now, we've had this one in the shop for a while, you know, where it cuts the 2 pieces, and so you have the background piece, and then you have the little piece that goes over the front of it for making your Rolodex cards. Well, this is another one, and I really like this one, so I want to show you guys. This one actually comes 4 pieces. So you have just your Rolodex card, and it looks like a book, right? And then you have the secondary piece, which you can put on there. And the secondary piece literally looks like the pages of a book. And if you don't want to do that and you just want to kind of do like the book, then you can do these and put the pages of the book on, which I thought was really cute. So I grabbed this one. And this is going to be available in the shop. And I'm probably going to do them individually. I may do them as a set. I'm not sure. They're either going to be individual like this or a set with the other ones. Because I have like 6 or 7 of these Rolodex card dies that I do sell. So I'll probably be doing some of them. Maybe I'll do like a whole big pack of them. I don't know. The only other die I got was this one here. And this one actually makes like a coffee cup, you know, like a wrapped coffee cup with a little lid on the top, and it's like a pocket that you can put stuff in. And so I'm also going to be putting these in the shop. So those I got in. Now I did recently get in these. I love these. Oh my god. These are called Old Time Garden. Let me open this. And these are clear acetates. Okay. Just stinking adorable, but they are clear acetates, and I thought, you know, these are really a cute little way of just adding a little something to the page. And I got all kinds of them, you know, all different designs and stuff. Look at how pretty they are. You know, they're just gorgeous. So I got those in, and I'm going to be using them in a project soon, and I'll be showing you guys that project. Oh my goodness, now they're all over the floor. I'll be showing you that project here in the next week or so. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on some of the new things that I have in the shop and some of the things that we're going to be doing. I do have a lot of new projects coming out, so look for those tutorials. And if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. Before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until the next time, guys, bye-bye.